Friends, in this lecture, we're going to learn about the grouping of counts. See, Tally hierarchy 9 allows creation of groups, or we can say user-defined groups. These groups can be created under existing groups or under groups created by the user. So, first of all, as we all know, we have to create a company, and I am creating a company in the name of Miltcon Manpower. And here in this lecture, we will be making the groups and ledgers first of all, then we will post the entries one by one quickly. So, as we know, we can make the groups from accounts info. We can create a group over here as creating the first row as employees expenses under the group in direct expenses, correct? Now the next I am creating is salary expenses under, now I am creating under which the group that I have made, that is employee expenses. Is this correct? Now the next group I am making is employees salary payable group under the primary group. I am making a fresh new group. Now we have to define the nature of this group because we are not making this group under any other group. So we have to define each and everything about this new group. So the nature of this group belongs to liabilities. Why? Because I am making the group that is salary payable. The responsibility I am generating, so I am taking here as liabilities. So here it is written, as the group behaves like a sub-ledger, I am telling it to yes. Done. We are over with our groups. Now we are creating our ledgers. I am creating my ledger, basic salary under salary expenses. Next, I am making conveyance expenses under salary expense once again. Next, I am making HRA, that is house rent allowance under salary expense once again. Then I am making one group of Hotel Manuraj under sundry creditors. Those who are giving the services or we are taking services from that. And then we are making agency placements under sundry creditors. I'm making wages as a direct expenses. I'll be explaining you later on why we are making all these groups. Staff welfare expenses under employees expense. Then Alex. Alex is the name of a person and this is employees. This will go under employee salary payable because we have to pay the amount to these persons. Alright. Then I am making Daniel under employee salary payable. Then Vito under employee salary payable once again. Now we are over with the groups and the ledgers. Now we are coming back to our accounting vouchers. And first entry that we have to post is the company received bill for the tea and snacks for employees from Hotel Manuraj for rupees 500. That the company has received a bill of tea and snacks. Tea and snacks belongs to staff welfare expenses. The snacks are being ordered for staff. So this expense will go to the staff welfare expenses and this has been done in the credit terms, not in cash. So what we'll do, we'll post the entry in journal voucher and we'll debit staff welfare expense for rupees 500 and we'll credit what? Hotel Manuraj for 500. Done. Now the next entry is The company received inquiries from agency placements for daily wage workers of rupees 1,000. Now, the agency placement provides us daily wage workers for our factory so that the workers, so we are hiring the workers from placement agency. So for that, they are demanding the amount. They had given the bill. So we have received the bill, and where we have to post it? Again in the journal. We have to debit the wages for 1,000 and we have to credit placement agency for rupees 1,000. Done. Now the next entry is we have to stand by the salary of rest of the employees. So for that, what you have to do, you have to take your basic salary. Let's say we are paying 60,000 in all that we have calculated. The HRA part from their salary is 6,000 and their conveyance part from their salary is only 600 in all. And now we are crediting one by one the employees and annex for rupees 11,100. We are crediting Zamlan for 22,200. And last, Vito for 33,300. See, these amounts we have calculated separately in the Excel sheet or the data that we have received from our organization. We are just putting on the amounts and posting the transactions in the tally. So we had calculated the salary, HRA, DA, conveyance earlier in the Excel sheet. So now you have to enter and the entries are done. Now you are clear with the groups, how to make the groups and how to post the entries. Now I am showing you the trial balance. Let's come to the trial balance. Go to the display and enter trial balance. And for detailed trial balance, you have to press what? Alt F1. Here you can see all the Sunday creditors amount and all, the wages amount, the employees expense amount. That how much employees expense amount has been reflecting. Now you can see the balance sheet as well. For balance sheet, you have to go here and then you can expand it and see what are the different liabilities, how much employees salary amount, payable amount stands for. And likewise, you can see the group summary in accounts book. You can see the group summary and here you can go to direct expenses and the wages are shown. That is correct because wages belongs to the direct expenses. Those expenses that directly belongs to our production goes under the direct expenses and all other expenses belongs to the indirect expenses. Correct? Now you can select indirect expense also from the list of groups. Under indirect expense, what we will see? The employees expense, salary expense and the staff welfare expense. Staff welfare expense was the tea and coffee and snacks expenses and salary expenses was the basic salary, conveyance and HR. So in this way, you can see or get an overview of all the reports or you can submit the reports to your senior officers. I hope you have understood the groups and the groupings. Now we are winding up with the lecture and get ready